All right, it's the end of November and we're trying to get our shed up here. And we got the posts, we got the holes all dug. You can't really see much down there. But this side, we've got all the posts, holes dug. We got, I think there's like 60 of them or so all together, 30 on a side about. This side, you can't see it, but the other side we've got them all straightened out, and we're gonna have to pour cement in there. We dug the holes 4 feet deep, and hopefully tomorrow we'll get a better picture here, but I gotta finish putting the posts in. They're laminated 2x6s, 6, 8, and 9 feet long. So these are treated. This is the stuff that goes in the ground. The rest of it will, it's kind of raining and snowing and crappy, but the ground's not froze, so we're able to work on it. We got all of our corn in, so now we can finally work on a project that we've been wanting to do all fall, but it's been bad weather. We got chains all the way around the skid steer, or not all the way around, in the back of the skid steer, the back tires of the skid steer, so we can work in the mud here. But you can see we each grew 3 or 4 inches today. It's all clay and garbage that you can walk around in, but I'm happy. It's late at night, but we're able to get all the holes drilled. They're calling for snow and rain, so we want to get them in, and hopefully we can get some cement out here at some point. Yes, we got all our posts in. We got the line set up so they're straight and they're marked off.
Probably all tipped in just a little bit.
Yeah.
If you do it after cement, then it'll look better. Because we all tipped them in so they aren't hitting the line.
Oh yeah. I'll do that.
Pretty good.
So they're every 6 feet apart, and then we're gonna fill them full of cement. So we dug them down about 4 feet. It's kind of a mess, but there's a cement truck coming through right now. We're gonna have to use a skid steer because he's not gonna be able to get in here. All right, so we got all the cement poured on this side over here in the posts, and they're 4 feet deep and about 18 inches in diameter.